Hi guys. Hi. We just had a really wonderful puja dedicated to you guys for the success of whatever your work there, and it's amazing. We've been receiving a lot of SMSs, updates, and wonderful pictures.
Yes, a lot of MMS that has been forwarded to us, and we really like those pictures and keep them coming. Yeah. Well, what is it that you like, David? Like from all these stories and all the pictures, what is the one that strikes you the most?
A lot actually. I really like looking at the altars, the temples, because so far we've only heard it from Rinpoche, and I've always wondered how the temples look like, and the Vajragini that Rinpoche saw, that belonged to Khenso Losang Takshin Rinpoche, and the pendant Lamo. And I remember when I first met Rinpoche, he has a print of that exact tanka, and it's amazing, and it's the exact piece, and it's still very new. It's very nice. Yeah, that part, and also stories from the relatives, from Mark recently. It's so amazing that you guys are doing all this, because you're putting pictures, words, you're bringing them into life. You're meeting these people. We get to see them, how they're doing right now, and we just, it's like bringing the past and making it come alive again.
I do feel the same also, because we have heard so many stories, and Rinpoche has been describing the scene, like turkey swarm, Rinpoche meditating under the tree near the lake, I think.
Yeah.
So we haven't had an idea how it looked like, but with all this interviewing and all the hard work and all the pictures that you guys have sent to us every day, maybe every hour, there's so many pictures. The phone just keeps beeping away, but we are very excited. We couldn't sleep for days because of all these. And we do thank you very much for your hard work, because really, we are here in Malaysia, and we kind of feel jealous of you guys because you guys are over there. But it's very nice that we feel part, as if we were on this journey with you, even though we are here. We receive all the pictures, we receive all the updates, and who said what. For example, Anila's interview that's very touching. We will want to see that. Chris, get it up as soon as possible, okay? And also, wow, Gina, your updates and your photos about how loud and fun the Kalmic family was. Wow, we can't wait to see and hear more about that from all of you guys. And I'm sure all of you have been working very hard together with Carmen, who's very new, who has just joined us.
Carmen, Didi,
and Patrick, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And
thank you
wow.
so much.
And we are very excited. This is just your first leg, so-called, in New Jersey. Next, it's LA and Virginia and all this. Wow, more stories, Yeah. So I think for me personally, it's very exciting that we finally get to experience what Rinpoche experienced, to see the places that Rinpoche went to, the people that Rinpoche knew, and all of them just say the same message, that what Rinpoche has told us all these years, and Rinpoche hasn't been in contact with them for over 30 years, right?
Yeah,
and the story is the same, like Rinpoche told us that when he was young, he liked to go to the temples, and what Anila Carmen and all these Dharma friends and relatives have been saying in New Jersey is the same message.
Yeah, what's amazing for me was that all of them, whatever they've been saying, reflect what Rinpoche has been doing all this while since he was so young. And it's such an amazing thing to learn and to experience for especially the new people. And for a lot of people out there, when this comes out, it's going to be incredibly huge, the impact for our organization, for our people, for Kuchara, because the whole thing about Kachara is about Rinpoche, and what's about Rinpoche is about the Dharma. So everything about his childhood was simply so amazing in that sense, and it is not coming from the monks or just the nuns. It's coming from his classmates, his relatives, his cousins, Sarah, Debbie, and so many more. And we can't wait actually, especially when the later part when he gets to LA, when we hear more about Rinpoche's later teenage years. It's going to be quite exciting. We thank you very much for all that you have done. You guys, we miss you very much.
Yes.
We wish we were there with you, and we are. Thank you very much for all the pictures. And all of us in KL are actually going through everything that you post on Facebook, every SMS that you send, every picture. It's really amazing. And it's amazing that we can actually open our phone and we get LA.
Yeah.
Rather New Jersey.
Yeah, and all the pictures that, the backyard of Rinpoche's house. Wow, that's really amazing. I mean, Rinpoche told us that he had to work so hard, but we were thinking like, oh no, it's just a backyard, but oh my God, that's a humongous backyard. I don't think so with 5 people we'll be able to rake the leaves and all. Wow. And yes, the picture, and also we are very happy to hear that, all these relatives of Rinpoche still remember Rinpoche, and it's very impactful. I mean, for someone that you haven't seen for 30 years, you can still remember a lot about them. That says a lot about Rinpoche.
And also, thank you very much. And we like your messages about the food. And we hope you guys enjoy yourself and do the best you can. We'll send you our prayers and our love. Thank you. Hi to the Tsem Rinpoche Bio Group. We thank you very much, and all the best, and especially where you are right now in Howell, New Jersey. Thank you.
Yes, and do keep us updated with your Los Angeles trip, alright? Yes, and to all the people who are involved in this project, regardless of whether you're relatives or your friends or your school friends or whoever passerby who have lent your help in making this group and the research and the book and the movie a success, we thank you very much here from Kachara, the headquarters Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and we do hope that you will come and visit us. And we would like to thank you personally for all the help that you have been giving all this time for the success of this project. Hello from KL to the world and Howell, New Jersey.
From Kachara too.
Yay!